Hey Alex, what's fragile mean? What's going on, guys? Today I've got something to show you. The other day I got in the mail some parts for the 240. I want to show you here. Got some over fenders for the 240. So today we're gonna go over to Brett's and not necessarily test fit them, but just bring them over there and kind of show you guys the progress on the 240 so far. This is ridiculously low Lexus GS 300. Dirty low. So we'll go into the barn here and check out the 240. Parts laying around. A little 2J action. BMW action. And here is the 240. It's a little mess right now, but there's turbo. Brett is TIG welding right now. He's just got it kind of tacked up for the most part, at least the downpipe. He did, I don't know if you can see down there or not, but crossover. So I've got a few things to do. Plumb it with the cold side, and he's gonna do a full stainless. So yeah, that's where she's at right now.
So Brett is working on this M3. He's getting all extra wires out that are completely unnecessary. And he's also in the process of putting a cage in. But this thing is full-on race car.
We got no friggin' floors, do we, Ted? You know, you should put these wheels on your E46, Alex. Those will look really good.
I already did hit record.
Yeah, it's recording.
I suck.
It's going, man.
we don't know how to fix it. Yep, it's broken. Doesn't work. Just got back from Brett's. Not a super productive day, but we at least got to mock up and kind of test fit the over fenders, the rear over fenders anyways, just to see how they're going to turn out. I think it looked pretty good. Kind of gave us a good idea of what the overall look's going to be. Obviously still have to cut out the actual fenders. That'll be at a later date though, and still have to order the front over fenders and a few other parts, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time.